Hi, my name is Tosh with Shuttle Computers here at InfoComm 2026. I just want to take a moment and talk about one of our products on the table here, and also a very popular product with a lot of the show visitors. This is called the XZ890G2. It's one of our 5-liter PCs, and basically it's your traditional desktop computer, but shrunk down into about a quarter of its form factor. So what you have is your traditional I/O on the front. As we take a look on the rear side of it here, on the rear you'll notice that there's actually two PCI Express slot expansions out of there. So if I remove the casing off the top, you'll notice that we are able to now, instead of putting a video card traditionally in our other computers more vertically, this one could lay horizontally. So allowing you to, again, have an even smaller form factor than our cube computers or your traditional desktops in the marketplace. Again, this computer also supports a desktop processor. It's running on Intel 15th generation CPUs, DDR5 memory, and you can also do 2.5-inch hard drives, M.2 storage on there. And again, it's a great PC for a lot of system interface because you can use that PCI Express slot for video capture cards, for a video card for graphics performance, or even an audio card for video transmission or audio transmission for that. If you want to learn more about the product, you could check it out at shuttlecomputers.com.